National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Indian River County in east central Florida, southwestern Brevard County in east central Florida, east central Osceola County in east central Florida, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kenansville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palm Bay. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.